Here's a beautiful book from the middle of the 19th century in a very pleasing, full red Morocco leather binding. It's worth pointing out that the smooth spine has been beautifully gilt stamped with this type of scroll, floral, acanthus leaf devices with the date, actually, which is always nice to see in gilt. Both covers have been stamped in blind with a similar pattern. The frontis of the book is actually this very nice fold-out diagram of the Senate chamber with this large central vignette of Justice, and it would appear to be Columbia, with an eagle between them. And this lithographed plate was done by Weed, Parsons and Company of Albany, New York. The next plate here is also dated 1866, and it's a diagram of the assembly chamber with the names of who sits where and where they represent or where they're from. Another nice vignette scene here with another eagle, another rendering of Columbia. And we get to, after those two plates, here's the title page, published in Albany. And what's interesting is that this was a gift book given by this person here, presumably in the legislature. It's a compendium, a digest of facts and rules and members, rules and order. It's really, it's incredible amount of information and typesetting in here. It's really, look at these statistical, the Erie Canal. My goodness. It's almost like a encyclopedia relating to the government of New York State. All these are post offices with their postmasters here, pages of it. The census and the population by 35, 1840, 1845, 50, 55, 60, and 65. Comparative populations by counties. It's got the Constitution of the State of New York, calendar, massive index to the Constitution of the United States. And so, it's also noteworthy for the beautiful state of preservation that it's in. Lovely book. And it is now available online from me, Brian DiMambro.